Before we start this video, I want y'all to go and check out Mixing with the Mofats. This is a family channel. You know what you expect from family channels. Vlogs, pranks, challenges, and all type of something oriented around family. Go over there, make them know say Razablade send you. Now let's start the video.
What's up everybody? You don't know your boy Razablade, and today I'm there with a prank video. So today I get an idea but I just never have the time to shoot it. So Angel already know and me ready. Today I'm gonna do a loyalty test. But there's something like this in the past. But I never really that what you do. We just make each other call and
I never did really the same thing.
Okay, so in a today's test, I did a plan say I go call him first and tell them for life for me. But I go see me can push it even further and test them loyalty even more. I now go call him and say, yo bro, when Angel come on the phone tell her say, are you? I go just call him and say, no true say I for you. For see, oh, them react to see if them are gonna really sell me out or not.
Wait, I choose say for them one or for them girl?
For them girl. So I go call and say, dog, tell Ian just say, the panty way in the car, are you the bringing girl in the car? So I'm not give them a chance.
Okay.
So we're gonna make the video nicer that way instead of tell them for like. I be telling for like first, everybody gonna like. Suppose one of them beside them girl. Yeah.
Never think about that, guys.
Yeah, so we're gonna see if we can pressure a few of my friends them. Is what I say? Make sure you like the video. If you don't like the video, the prank not gonna work. Serious thing.
5,000 likes, guys.
Alright, so
And the girl, yeah.
first person I call upon the list of music because we just know say,
Never introduced me.
oh, this is my lovely fiancé.
Hi, guys.
First person I call on music because I don't feel like music.
You want me to go and cuss?
Yeah.
I don't want to hear nothing from you, you know. I don't want to hear nothing from you.
At least wait till he answer.
No, but... I don't want to hear nothing.
Just relax. Me ask the man.
I don't want to hear nothing.
Me ask the man and see if I like me.
I don't want to hear, I don't care.
Listen. Bro.
Yeah, bro.
The panty we left in the car. Not true say the girl where you bring in the car Saturday, bro.
Yeah.
Exactly. You see? Yeah, cause for nothing, babe. Now Angel there say cause me boy she find woman panty in the car.
Yeah.
Wickedness. Yo, you love
Don't say, my fault, you know.
bro, I'm sorry for calling
But
them
how
bodies,
them
bro.
to make mistake like that?
Baby, him did not the car. Them never have know if you got my leg.
Music, how, what kind of thing that?
Stop asking me about in personal life now.
No, but me and you together and you make that happen.
Babe, I'm personal life had a mistake. I can't cuss him for that. That's why I tell you say everything good. Bro, just say a word, yeah. Little more.
Alright, bro.
Sorry, yo, we start out that. You're good.
No, man.
Wow!
Hey, music, anytime you see that video tonight, call me, bro.
Wow!
Hey, man, not your body think.
Me not trust music again.
Oh, and them the friend me need in my
Me
life.
not trust music again. Music?
I see me can call somebody one who me not see even a long time too. And see if I can get them to tell the lie. I call Warren.
Me not care.
Babe,
Me not care what you want to say. Me don't care.
Yanja, just please listen to me. I say, listen. When me ask him, you will hear for lie. Me I tell, bro. Yanja, they saw cuss me about the panty we left in my car, bro. Me I tell her say, you did have a cat in there, me they left one in the car, bro. Please tell her say, you did not the car, bro.
I don't want to hear nothing.
Yeah, I don't use the car for a minute, though. You already know, pop. Oh, yeah, just calm down.
Me no, bro,
But how Warren to make something like that happen?
Hold on, babe. Me understand say me that happen, but they left in the car with a girl, and that happened, babe.
But how we...
Babe.
How Warren to make that happen?
Me don't know, babe. People can cuss about that, no, but it not change the fact. Me just a try show you say, I'm good. Thanks, yeah, bro. Bro. Yo, me think, why not I think about it? Why not even think? Yo, me tell you. I call one speed. Cause I love hearing one speed at Ginal.
Me know say one speed I go feel this. We don't know.
How feel?
Babe, one speed now, he go pick up for you.
Then a pass him pass, a loyalty test with me.
No, like feel me.
Oh, they mean to pass you?
Yeah.
Oh, come.
Honest.
Come in, speed up, mate. Speed up. Yo, look at him. He entered this cost me, bro. I'm glad me get to your phone same time.
Me don't want hear nothing.
Babe, just please.
Me don't want hear.
Yo, you see,
me just tired of them something
I can't
here.
take a baga in a babe. Just relax now.
Me don't want hear.
Babe, please. Just
One
listen.
speed I can't hang up. Me don't want hear.
Yo, bro, don't hang up, bro. Listen to me, I say. The panty we left in my car the night me come play ball. Tell Angel say you did have a one cat in the car and I saw it get left in there, bro. Please.
Yeah, man, it's panty, man.
You see now, babe? You get the proof now. Me tell you all me, I tell you say I know me and speed did that.
So how one speed will make that happen? One speed, how you can make something like that happen?
Babe. Mistake.
Yeah.
Oh, me don't know when you go link one speed.
You go play ball, babe. It's
When? No.
You could play ball.
When? Which day?
Well, I know. Speed. Tell her who they come play ball with me. Tell her who they come play ball.
Mitch. Man. I love them, man.
Yo, for you say Mitch you good, cause we the top over Angel mama and buy food in the night. You see? Thanks ya, bro. Me call you back. Respect, don't say nothing more. Yo! Baby, now about hope. No, I'm gonna call. Alright.
Don't even call Mashup.
Him want call.
No, babe, no. You can't make Mashup do this to me again.
No, well I know. I call mash up and give him the least pressure just for sure say him not go feel me. What am I gonna say to him now?
Me not even go argue. Mashup back up, pick up fridges.
Watch out. Bro,
Yo.
dog, the panty we left in the car, dog. Angel they cuss me about it, dog. Please tell her say are you and the cat did there in the car. I can't believe
I
it.
remember the calling me, man. You to me call it for me, dog. My name, remember call it to checking it, dog. I don't know star you, I know reason.
You know that. She just a quarrel with me and me there cuss, dog.
Bro, G.
Talk to her.
Yeah, remember, dog. You know you.
To see and babe,
No one talk. How him to make something like that happen?
babe, a mistake.
No, remember, so me call him. Yeah, then call him Saturday to come help me out. And my name get back to you because my name not about it. The cat called me yesterday and I said, if me not see it, I said, no, man, for call back my friend. My name, remember, for call back me, sir. And when I see number pop up now, because I play a game, you know. I mean, I answer phone and I play a game. So when I see him now, I say, right, you must buy it. But me, I tell you, man, I'm really sorry about that and I put him in a situation. I swear.
Alright then.
Thanks, yeah,
No,
bro.
man, just no. Yo, let me get it back, you know.
Me I make you get it back, my G.
Just me swear, man, me need it back right now, dog.
Alright, well, my circle a
How
scheme.
far are they?
Me now come a scheme till about weekend.
Alright, just link me, you know.
You did get you with the vehicle on the highway, though.
What do you mean, man?
Bruce, this circle you?
No, but me call my mechanic and want to come help me up, dog. Different this still, you see me?
Alright then, bro. No say a word. Me and you will chat.
Alright, yo. Sorry about that, you know, bro, G.
Me understand, man.
Yeah, man. Sorry for me giving you no quick problem, you see me?
Yeah, man. She must, from she hear your talk now, she must believe. So, respect ya,
You
bro.
look here.
Respect, bro.
Yeah, man.
Yo! I not even chat to Mashup every day. And if I call Mashup 1 year from now, I see him response. Me need to call somebody else. No, baby, you don't say you need to do that video for your channel. People, 3,000 likes at Angel do this for your channel. Hold on.
No, me have to do it before you post that. So them not see a video and know that me a prank
So, me
them.
go post this now. You have to go post one different
No,
way.
me-
No, I don't know my friend I call.
No, me know.
I call your friend them.
Yeah, but then we remember say them watch a video. So me can do a video before me get up.
Alright.
So a video them do one time.
Alright. Yo, this looks so funny.
So Jason a post here and nobody pick up what me I do.
Yo, look on this now. I call Lucy. I say, like I say, Lucy.
But you have to do it in a one way to make him To make him.
Yeah, me go say, you know say.
So go one side. To make it more believable.
Yeah.
Go one side.
I say, you know say, look at Clovel panty left in my car. He and Jack me say, me carry girl in the Lucy, this I got tough on you, bro. But this I call you. If you feel me, I saw, but me don't feel like you go feel me. Me dead want to see how this I go turn out. Bro, you there in that house?
Yeah.
Yo, go one side 1 second. I sit and quick me I say to you.
Me no want hear nothing, you know.
Just relax now.
Me no want hear nothing.
Bro, you see when we go link on for baby Christian and thing. You look like, I don't know if you explain this happen because you know, no one big people. But Angel just cuss me about the panty where she find at the car. Say a woman me bring in her car. Tell Angel say, I love you one no man.
Say what?
Tell Angel say I love you one drop off in her car no man. I want to did probably do something.
Noah.
Yo! John know my you.
Lucy do it for the first time. He just
I told Lucy now go tell a lie still.
no, because he no want to tell a lie to pick up for you.
No, I because you know want to feel like me like bangarang.
No,
Babe,
Lucy, who you da pick up for? Lucy, who you da pick up? You da really lie to me?
That's why I said me now go pick
Ah.
No, hold on. Him no don't answer. Him never dare go put him out like convo because you know why I mig light.
No, he no want. He no mean so.
Hold on. So who you who do pick up for me? I da tell Ian just a rope. I da what you da do?
No. When I come in a conversation, so me I try avoid it, so me I say, do I look come in and hear what I say.
Ah.
And Lucy style that. Anytime Lucy bust a style, problem, me know what I do. I just style.
Bro, just say a word. Alright. Why that one?
Damn, that one that did uncomfortable for you. Here, Jason look like a drop off in there.
Yeah. I'm not one big people. I want to see if I can call one of my friends. I don't see how long now.
Or I can probably call Max. No, Max hard to get to.
Max, you can never get Maxi. Don't answer Bruce if you are going to sell me out.
Answer.
If you ring out, me not call back.
Answer.
You have reached
Me not call back. Aside.
You say I got talk. Me no feel
Bruce I got at least thinking into it and then give doubts them.
Alright.
Who else me feel? Me for call nobody else?
Yes.
Who me for call?
One more. Who you did just say I got Remar.
I can't remember. Not remember what Remar girl name.
Yo.
Me no want hear
Bro.
nothing.
What
Me
you
no
know?
want hear nothing. Remar, you can't hang up your phone because me don't want hear.
Don't hang up, bro. Don't hang up.
Remar, you can't hang up.
Don't hang up, bro.
You can't hang up.
I feel like you're the only woman in a car. Hold on. Shh. Bro, look at him. Listen what me I say, bro. I'm going to listen what me I say carefully, then you answer what me I say because me can't take the bag of argument with Ian. You remember this Saturday when you did for link when me I shoot the Smash or Pass video?
That I'm even.
Yeah, when you did I go Smithville after.
Yeah, Andrew.
Yeah, yo, Ian go fine. Me don't know if you or Andrew they are doing a thing with that girl or what, but Ian go find a panty in the car. She cuss me. I say, me care woman like car. So I make she know say, I want to own the girl in the car. So please just tell her because she cuss out hell.
Somebody else, but I remember to tell her say, I'm a such man still, you know. But it's a such man where me show you a pre, me think you're up and tell you how.
So yeah basically tell her say who else they did it, right?
Oh no, I don't mean I Andrew either, but you know, somebody else did it, but that's who fault, you know. Well, my fault majorly because I mean as such man I'm much better than Andrew, you know what I'm saying?
So how they ever make something like that happen?
You know what I'm saying? You know, it's man and man and at the end of the day, yeah, I just think that. But don't
Jason, it done.
Yo.
It done. Them are like,
Yo, you see when me call you, bro, I say like even for your woman did a lie for me. Hey, not more than the girl like you, you know. Remember, can't own it.
No. Come from where?
Where does that come from? Where?
Listen to me.
Bro, yo, life, bro, don't make me have to remind you stay for life, me. You have all people for life.
Why
me.
you want people life here? Why you recruit
no,
people
me
for
not
life
recruit.
here?
Them man, I'm a bona fide family. Him
Stop
supposed to
recruit
life.
people for life here.
Him supposed to life, me, babe.
Why?
Him just, it just out.
Don't tell the life of Jesse, don't make Jesse make you go hell.
Boy, yeah.
No, man. Me work and me die hell.
Exactly. Alright, bro, let's see your word.
Cuz.
Alright. So, people, all of my friends them pass the test. Remember, you book your two times, but everybody passed. You want to do this video for your channel?
Yes. No.
Go get your stuff and come.
Right here.
3,000 likes for your January video. If I don't see 3,000 likes, I'm going to post this.
So that means I'm going to have you on a post, guys. So just give me the 3,000 likes so I can just put it out. I'm going to do it right now because I don't want nobody to see Jason and then figure say that me do to them. So Jason going to rise up, film something and...
And they say video done.
Bye, guys.
Stop kiss me heads.
Mark.